The Caterpillar D11T is a large bulldozer manufactured by Caterpillar Incorporated. It's mainly used in the mining industry. It's also used for push-loading scrapers and ripping rock overburden. It's 35.8 feet long and 10.4 feet wide, with a 22 feet wide blade. Scrap shears are designed to cut scrap metal using a plier system powered by hydraulic energy. They are ideal for processing metal scrap, where high productivity is required. They can process heavy, bulky scrap metal just as easily as lightweight scrap metal. With a cutting force of 2 to 100 tons, they can process dozens of tons of metal per hour. The cabin allows a continuous 360 degrees rotation, making moving the junk much easier. A tire wash is an area located at stabilized construction access points to remove sediment from tires and undercarriages and to prevent sediment from being transported onto public roadways. It provides a cost-effective solution for construction sites to comply with environmental requirements. The Komatsu WA250 PT is a wheel loader that can work with different attachments. One of those is a snow plowing attachment. It can clear mountain roads with feet of accumulated snow. The electronically controlled variable two-pump motor system allows high efficient and powerful operation. Carrots are being harvested with the DeWolf GBC 1-row, a bunker in Norway. It's equipped with a cross conveyor at end of the bunker for a gentle harvest of carrots. In this case, it's been operated in combination with the 5820 John Deere tractor. Its small dimensions and a cylinder mounted on the drawbar make it exceptionally maneuverable. The bearings of each cutter set are hermetically sealed using labyrinth sealing. Working with the harvester is super enjoyable thanks to a control unit and joystick. The 72 SM Fab Lister is a genius piece of equipment to plow the land efficiently. You can see it in action across a 640-acre field doing a smooth and excellent job. The disc coulters help the rig stay straight, so it can't go side to side as easily. Bowing flat and spacious, West Texas makes a perfect landscape for this type of machinery. In this case, the beds are getting prepared for cotton to be planted across the field. Even with the efficiency of these machines, great skills are required to operate them. The cutter soil mix system consists of a cutter head with 2 cutter wheels. Cement slurry is injected in the middle of the cutter head between the wheels. As a result, a homogeneous mixed mass is created and the cutter head can easily sink into the soil. After the cutter head has been removed from the mixed panel, it can be reinforced. The type of reinforcement is dependent upon the application of the cutter soil mix wall. Comtech TopTurn X55 is a compost windrow turner that processes solid waste fines to create tall, peaked windrows. It is engineered to produce windrows with the optimum amount of porosity and pile structure, creating a chimney effect to increase temperatures, reduce composting times and odors, and produce the highest quality simpost. Here you have the Metso 1460 Art Meta Q75 62M3 forage harvester. It can go through 62 cubic meters of material in 16 minutes and 30 seconds. The container can be changed easily with the help of the hydraulic chassis. A gravel body can be mounted. Has a high capacity with its bogie with hydraulically sprung arm and low energy consumption. The revolutionary integrated combine adjustment system of the S780 from John Deere automatically ensures consistent harvesting performance regardless of conditions. The elimination of manual adjustments gives operators the confidence of knowing that their combine is working at the highest possible efficiency. Write in the comments which of the heavy machines you enjoyed the most. Goodbye.